Feeling overwhelmed by your ever-growing to-do list? Let's cut through the noise and compare Sunsama and TickTick to figure out which one will actually bring you peace of mind. First, let's talk about the overall approach. Sunsama is your daily planner focusing on intentional scheduling and mindful task management. It's designed to help you plan your day, review your progress, and disconnect at the end of work. TickTick, on the other hand, is a robust task manager that works for individuals or teams with a focus on getting things done and collaboration. Sunsama's core feature is its daily planning. It pulls in tasks from other sources, lets you estimate how long they'll take, and then lets you schedule those tasks directly into your calendar. This makes sure you're not overcommitting, promoting a realistic and manageable workflow. Note the focus on daily review as well, a key component for staying on track. TickTick, in contrast, focuses on features for task management like subtasks, prioritizing tasks, tags for organization, and collaboration features for team projects. Pay attention to the integrated Pomodoro timer. It's a bonus that helps you stay focused on your current task. Now, let's compare the features. Sunsama has strong focus on calendar integration and daily review, which helps plan your day, but lacks task dependencies and collaboration. TickTick has features for collaboration, and it is designed for individuals or teams, but lacks features for daily review. Finally, consider user experience. Sunsama offers a more guided, minimalist experience. TickTick is more flexible and customizable, but it also comes with a steeper learning curve.